Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right behind me we have a 1968 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle. So this is a pretty cool car because it's more of a pro touring vehicle. It is painted in bright blue with twin racing stripes on the hood and the trunk. It has a set of two-piece wheels with 6 piston wheelwood brakes up front and 4 piston in the rear. So these are Boze wheels. These are very nice. These are essentially carved out of a giant piece of aluminum, and they are two-piece. You can see the bolts. The brakes stop this car excellent. It has upgraded suspension as well. Take a look at the body lines. Very, very nice. I would rate the paint quality a 7 out of 10. There are imperfections, so I'm looking here. There's a little scratch here, a couple of door dings right here. Underneath the car, it's extremely nice. I don't see any issues with it. Wheels are staggered, so they're wider in the rear and they look unbelievable. Quarter panels look great. The roof line looks great. There's no dents in it. All of the brightwork and bumpers look brand new. All the chrome looks great. Let's walk around it, and then when we get to the front, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. It's powered by a 383 stroker, mated to a automatic transmission. We are gonna go for a test drive so you get to hear and feel how it drives. Brightwork has a little bit of dents here, but no big deal. It's a really nice car, but I want to point out all the imperfections. Let's open up the door here. You can see that all of it's been painted throughout. Let me pop the hood so we can take a look at this, and then I'll open up the interior and we'll take a look inside. So what we have here is a 383 stroker. It's got a, let's see what kind of carburetor we have on it. Edelbrock 600 CFM carb with an electric choke. We have tubular control arms, billet pulley setup, pretty neat. As a power steering car, has exhaust on it as well, so it's got a nice set of long tube headers which sound unbelievable, and it has MSD ignition, chrome alternator as well, and a aluminum radiator, so it'll keep this thing cool, and a larger sway bar on the bottom. See that big red bar? That's a large sway bar, so this thing definitely handles well, and all the bushings look brand new. Let me fire it up right now. Notice I'm not getting inside of it. Just gonna turn the key and let it fire right up. Fires up, nice and quiet. The rear of the car sounds unbelievable. What we'll do is we'll take this microphone off and give it a little bit of gas. Nice and healthy. That intake, that performer intake is doing what it needs to do, giving a lot of air to that motor. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. So you've got yourself a custom steering wheel and then a piston style shifter, which really adds to the flair of this car. You've got a bench seat. Interior is very nice. The radio operates as it should. Headliner has one imperfection, so you can see that there's a little tear in there, but all the lights inside of the cabin work. Let me close this for you. Gauges work as they should. Clock is not operating, but everything else is operating in the intended fashion that it came from the factory. I'm going to go ahead and start it up without my microphone so you can actually hear this exhaust. Fires up with ease. Nice idle. We're going for a ride in the Chevelle right now. I want to show you that the radio works. You gotta just tune it to where you want it to be, but it does operate. Speedometer is operating as it should. The indicator for where you should be is operating, so it's showing that we are in the drive position. When I get out to that road, we're gonna get it to operating speed, and I'm gonna test the brakes for you. Obviously, it's got huge brakes on it, so it's gonna stop easily. Steering feels very precise. All the bushings are new. Steering is going straight. Let me push the brakes real quick. Braking is precise. It's not pulling from left to right. So overall, it's a really, really nice car. I think this is a great show, like a car show piece. So we're taking the corner now. Let's give it a little bit of gas. Feels good. Second. All right, so we're cruising at 40. Let's get a little bit faster. Feels really healthy. It feels more like a modern car, like honestly like a Porsche with how the suspension is. If you have any questions about this car, give us a call, 954-363-2261. I'm definitely taking this thing out during the weekend. I'm going to turn around, I'll give it a little bit of acceleration so you can see that it drives great, and I hope to hear from someone soon. All right, so we're going to give her full throttle so you can see how it feels.